Hi, Tal. Well, I'm here in Baclaran. Ta-da! Wow. For how many years? Come here to Cebu here again. May sama Sun. We're in here. Walking in the streets. There's a lot of, as you can see, dagan. Dagan kayog mga sanina diri sa Baclaran. So, means a lot of people here from different kind of places here in Manila. Wow, a big privilege and responsibilities. Dagan siya mga kabay. Wala siya 2, 4, 180. Napod siya yung mga tagsipinta. So, very cheap. While sa babaw diri kay na ay MRT. Ay LRT di ay going to Manila. Which is MRT, LRT. LRT, it means hi guys, so nata sa train diri sa LRT. So LRT which means
Light rail transit.
wow, very good. And kani siya pa dong LRT. Wagi ni siya from Baclaran going to Libertad. Libertad going to Vito Cruz. Vito Cruz going to kanang Pedro Hill. So ang nasa from straight sad from Baclaran going to MRT, which is Metro Rail Transit, no? MRT, which means Metro Rail Transit. So going to from Baclaran, unsa gani na siya? Di na Baclaran ko man na siya. Unsa gani siyang kuandihan? Basta from Baclaran area going to kanang Ayala, no? Ikaw muna yung mag-search. Ano siya? Yay! Time check 10:35 karon PM. So we're waiting for our sakinan.